Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel, the BRP Traders. So you can see here what we have discussed, exactly what we have discussed is there. Here only the trend line is going on. If this is broken, goes up till here. First target reach easily. After that it came downside once again. But my SL I have kept at this point. After here it goes once again, came downside and trigger over SL. Okay guys, I give my SL. After that I have not traded in this because behind this logic, once it's tested, it's right, but it is coming second and third time, and even it's broken means this is the trend line is right now is invalid. That's why I'm not traded in the crude oil, and it's become a whole day volatile only. You can see that open somewhere here only and close somewhere here only. Okay, it's nothing the bigger happened, but in natural gas, huge momentum what we have captured. I have told you consolidate and broken. Here only it's broken. Hope you have taken your position, and if you have kept your position SL at this right candle low also guys. Okay guys, this red candle low also hugely, you can see that consolidation happen every time. If you have not taken here, no worries, here consolidation happening, you can see here consolidation happening. Here only the consolidation, you have to see that if this is broken somewhere here only it came once again but came downside. Okay guys, what happened here when SL also triggered? Okay, no, nothing happened. If this is crossing, you have to take your position with SL of the this green candle low. Okay guys, remember I will just draw it for you. This green candle low, you can see that one-sided momentum we have been captured. Somewhere here only I have exited my position. After that, why I have captured downside also, I will tell you. Here only consolidating. Okay guys, came downside and taking exactly resistance. Somewhere here only I have taken my position. Myself I have kept here. You can see that one-sided momentum what we have been captured. Okay guys, if this is goes on a consolidation, I will exit. But what happened, it going on consolidation but it doesn't making a huge momentum like this. Okay guys, like this has been happened, so I will be exited. But this you can see that little bit consolidation came downside, taken risk once again. So we have made a very nice money in natural gas. Hope you have also traded and making a very huge amount of money. Here also in gold analysis, very nice money what we have traded also and made a huge profit, and also posted in Telegram channel. You can see here what we have discussed. This will act as a resistance. Okay guys, what it acting as resistance, but I am not taken here because this is the 2 hourly chart. So right now I am not interested because in the opening only it doesn't make any sense to take the position. Okay guys, after that it's crossing somewhere here only. I have made an here only position because I know it maybe works like what we have discussed. So here only taking resistance came downside. Okay guys, then I am sure that it doesn't this is the fails false. Okay guys, fails false, one thing. So this is the fails breakout. After that it came downside and taking somewhere support. Somewhere here only I have what I have done is that once again it will take resistance, so I will take my position somewhere here only. I have kept in my position. Okay guys, short position, and my SL will be somewhere here guys. I have kept it. You can see that one-sided momentum. I am not taken here at a manual punch. I have kept it only the at limit. Okay guys, at limit only it reached. After that my SL I have kept here only. You can see that how huge and nicely momentum we have captured. Somewhere here only I have booked just a second guys, sorry. Okay, here only I have booked my whole profit guys. Why is that? Because all target we have reached. After that here consolidating, I am not taken any position because of I don't wanted to take any risk right now, because we have derived very nice momentum and very nice capture our momentum. Okay guys, here only consolidating. Right now I will just stretch it out so you can get the idea why. You can see that exactly taken resistance, and this also you have hope. If you have not captured this position, at least you have captured this position and you have made a very nice out of this money guys. Hope you like this video guys. Okay guys, right now we gonna discuss the where next you gonna trading commodity, how it behaves, and what you will be planning about the commodity. Okay guys, we can see right now. Okay, so you can see here guys how we gonna trade for next week in a crude oil. Here somewhere trend line is going on right here guys. Okay guys, in downside also I am seeing somewhere like this the trend line is going on. Okay guys, so what we have to see right now is that this will act as one of the resistance only. So we just see that it will continuously consolidate somewhere here and came somewhere here and broken. Then we can expect our first target will be a second target, our third target guys, and our fourth target will be up till here. You can take it down. Okay guys, up till here. In downside, what we have to see is if consolidate and taking somewhere here resistance and broke, our first target will be immediate this, second target, third target, and our fourth and final target will be somewhere here. Okay guys, hope you are getting the logic guys, because this is the trend line. Right now if it taken a support somewhere here only and came somewhere, take resistance and exactly act as here somewhere support, then we can go for these all targets. If taken a resistance somewhere here and broken this trend line, then you can expect your first, second and third and fourth target. Okay guys, so we're gonna see the next commodity is that natural gas. Okay, in natural gas somewhere here only sell-off has been came and exactly it's acting as supporting area. So I will stretch it out. So right now this will be the invalid only. Okay, just take it that it will be valid. Okay guys, so right now what we have to see is that if consolidate and came somewhere here and make on here double bottom sort of thing, then you can expect your sort of thing, your first target will be somewhere here, second target, and expect your third and final target only. Okay, it's not expect more than that. If something I have got, so I will post you in the telegram. If came downside taking a resistance, then you can expect your first, second and third target. Okay guys, I'm expecting the volatility in this because this is the huge momentum has been came upside and downside also. So right now I am thinking that it maybe goes on a consolidate like this only, like we have seen in crude oil. So you have to see how you have taken your risk and manage your risk. It will be the work more efficiently, because risk is the main thing what we trader will trades, because we take the risk very less and make our profit as a huge as much we can, because we can usually take 1:3, but right now it's the position that we take 1:3 more than that, because of we know that our risk is very small and we can get the huge amount of risk to reward guys. Okay, it's because we are experienced now, so we have experience, then we can take the huge amount of money and within a small SL also. That's the thing guys, nothing is much more than that. Okay guys, in risk taking what your capacity is there, you have to see. In gold also you can say that it will act as support, but what we have to see is right now is that somewhere here only it's taking pole and flag type pattern. I am seeing this is the pole right now. It may be act as flag. If consolidate and broke, then you can expect a huge momentum. Your first target will be second, third and fourth and final target. Okay guys, if it will came somewhere here only downside and making upside momentum, then you can expect your first, second, third, fourth and fifth as usual what I have told you. Okay guys, if it will came downside, price action taken a resistance, our first target, second, third and you can expect your fourth and final target. Okay guys, hope you have get all the logic behind it. Okay guys, hope you have taken all the logic and viewed all the video with the full length. Okay guys, hope you have getting all the things what I am telling you and what you are getting. This is the very knowledgeable thing what I am sharing with you. It's a very little thing which can make you a real trader guys. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel guys. Thank you for watching guys.